Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. In this video I will show you how to get rounded corner edges in DaVinci Resolve 18. Let's say this is our clip that we want to have rounded edges on. So what you want to do is select the clip, go to Effect, and under Open FX type in Transform until you see this one. Then just drag it on top of your clip and let go. And then go over under Inspector, go to Effects, Open FX, and go to Image Adjustment. Here you can select the edge rounding however you like, for example like the circle, but I will do it just like this. And now what's important, if you for example want to zoom in or out the video or want to adjust the position like that, what's important is to do it under the Effects tab, because if you do it here then the edges will be damaged and it wouldn't look good. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to get rounded corner edges in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.